Good morning, children. A hearty welcome to all of you. Class 9 English, Unit 6 Prose from Zero to Infinity, Biography of Mathematician Ramanujan. Learning outcomes. Listens to or read announcements, text for information, gist and details and response to the questions. Speaks fluently with proper pronunciation, intonation and pass using appropriate grammar. Listens to and speak on variety of verbal inputs like debates, group discussions, PPTs, interview, etc. Exhibits in action and practice the values of honesty, cooperation, patriotism and while speaking and writing on variety of topics. Let us begin our class with a popular Tamil proverb, ஆத்துல போட்டாலும் அங்கந்ததா போடணும். What is the meaning of this proverb? அதாவது ஒரு பொருளை ஒருத்தருக்கு தானமாக கொடுத்தா கூட நம்ம அளவோட தான் கொடுக்கணுங்கிறது தான் இதோட மீனிங். So, it implies the importance of prescribed quantity and measurement limit or a bound. So, let us see children, what is the prescribed quantity required for cooking a cup of rice? So, we need to add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. So, if we add proper measurements, then we will get a good food to eat. What happens if the measurement exceeds? If we add 3 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, then we will get a food not to eat but to drink. Pertaining to this measurements and prescribed quantity, we will discuss about the importance of mathematics in our everyday life. Children, what is your first unit? Yes, it is learning the game. What it speaks? Yes, about Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, it is the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. So what is autobiography? Sachin Tendulkar தன்னை பத்தின, it is about him. அவரை பற்றின எழுதின ஒரு சுயசரிதை. அவரோட லைஃப்பில் ஏற்பட்ட சாதனைகள், சோதனைகள், அவரோட பர்த்து, அவரோட எஜுகேஷன், அவரோட கெரியர் டெவலப்மெண்ட், அவரோட ஹார்ட்ஷிப்ஸ், இதெல்லாம் அவரை பற்றியே எழுதுனது தான் ஆட்டோபயோகிராஃபி. நவ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டெல் யூ வாட் இஸ் அ பயோகிராஃபி. Biography is a detailed description of an individual's birth, career, his education and his life achievements, hardships, about his family relationship and about his death. இது ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல் பற்றி இன்னொருத்தர் எழுதுறது தான் பயோகிராஃபி. நவ் இன் திஸ் ப்ரோஸ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு லேர்ன் அபவுட் த பயோகிராஃபி ஆஃப் சீனிவாச ராமானுஜன். ஸோ whenever I see the image or picture of Ramanujan, I get reminded of an anecdote. What is an anecdote? It is a short, amusing or an interesting story about a person. ஒரு நபரோட வாழ்க்கையில் ஏற்பட்ட நகைச்சுவையான அல்ல சுவாரஸ்யமான ஒரு நிகழ்வு, இன்சிடென்ட் தான் anecdote. Ramanujan did not have any close friends. One of his colleagues asked him, "Sir, உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸே இல்லையா?" அப்படின்னு கேட்குறார் ராமானுஜன். ராமானுஜன் immediately replied him, "I too wanted to have friends, but they are not up to my expectations." அப்படிங்கிற, அதாவது ராமானுஜனுக்கும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வேணுமா, ஆனால் அவரோட எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ்க்கு இல்லைன்னு ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறாரு. Immediately the colleague asked him, "What is your expectation, sir?" Ramanujan replied him, "I want my friends to be like numbers 220 and 284. The colleague was greatly confused and asked him, "Sir, what is the relationship between friends and numbers?" Ramanujan gave him a pen and paper and told him to write the divisors of numbers 220 and 284. So with much difficulty, the colleague started writing the divisors of the number 220 as 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 20, 22, 44, 55, 110, 220. And the divisors of number 284 as 1, 2, 4, 71, 142 and 284. After that, Ramanujan told him to add all the divisors of 220 excluding the number 220. And also in the same way to add the divisors of 284 excluding the number 284. So the colleague started doing that, and when he gets the answer, he becomes very astonished because the sum of the numbers of 220, that is the sum of the divisors of 220 is 284 and the sum of the divisors of 284 is 220. Immediately Ramanujan replied him, "I want a ideal friendship like these numbers, that if one is absent, the other must represent the friend." Next, 1729 is a dull taxi number. this great genius discovered an amazing fact about this number, that this is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. That is, 1 cube plus 1 cube is equal to 2 and 1 cube plus 12 cube is equal to 1729. The same way, 9 cube plus 10 cube is equal to 1729. See, even now, this number sequence is called as taxicab numbers or Ramanujan number. Let us learn some new words. Infinity, a number large beyond any limit. Infinity, a number large beyond any limit. அதாவது எண்ணிலடங்காத. Prodigy, a child who shows a great ability at a young age. Prodigy, a child who shows a great ability at a young age. அதாவது சிறு வயதிலேயே மேதையாகிறது. Unkempt, not neat. சுத்தமே இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது. Unkempt, not neat. That is not clean. Emaciated, very thin and weak, usually because of illness or extreme hunger. ரொம்ப மெலிஞ்சு போயிருக்கிறது. அதாவது சாப்பிடாம இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு நோயினால் அவதிப்பட்டு ரொம்ப உடல் மெலிஞ்சு போயிருக்கிறது தான் emaciated. The opening extract of this biography is into a maths classroom. Here the teacher is solving questions on division. The teacher is asking the students, that is, she is asking a question, if I have 3 bananas and 3 children, when I distribute it equally, how many bananas will each children get? Yes, the answer is 1. Again the teacher explains, if I have 1000 bananas and 1000 children, when I distribute it equally, how many bananas will everyone get? Yes, the answer is 1. When the teacher is explaining this, a boy from a last bench gets up for a doubt. He asks, teacher, if no banana is distributed among everyone, will still everyone get 1 banana? அதாவது he is asking that யாருக்கும் எந்த பனானாவும் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணலனா கூட ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு பனானா கிடைக்குமா அப்படின்னு the boy is asking. Immediately the whole classroom started bursting in laughter. But the teacher gets understood that he is asking 0 by 0 is equal to 1 அப்படின்னு அவன் கேட்குறான். The teacher can understand that. ஏன் அவங்க ஆச்சரியம் அடைகிறாங்கன்னா, பல நூற்றாண்டுகளாக பல கணித மேதைகள் ஆய்வு செய்து ஜீரோவோட வேல்யூ 0வா இல்லை 1ஆ அப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியாமல் பயங்கர கன்ஃபியூஷனில் இருந்த டைமில் நம்மளோட கணித மேதையான பாஸ்கரா, தட் இஸ் நம்ம இந்திய கணித மேதை, இந்தியன் மேத்தமெட்டிஷியன் பாஸ்கரா ஜீரோவோட வேல்யூ இன்ஃபினிட்டி அப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறாரு. தட் இஸ் 0 by 0 is equal to infinite அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாரு. இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு கேள்வியை கேட்டால் அந்த லாஸ்ட் பெஞ்ச் பாய் யாருன்னு இந்நேரம் நீங்கள் கெஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்களே. எஸ், ஆப்வியஸ்லி இட் இஸ் Srinivasa Ramanujan. Biography of mathematician Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on December 22, 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. At the age of 13, he mastered Loni's trigonometry, solved many difficult problems and began his own research. இந்த புக்கு லோனிஸ் ட்ரிக்னாமெட்ரின்ற புக்கை அவர் லைப்ரரியிலேருந்து எடுத்து அதில் இருக்க நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை சால்வ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கிறார். எந்த ஒரு 13 வயசு பையனும் இந்த புத்தகத்தை பார்த்தா நிச்சயமாக பயப்படுவாங்க. ஆனால் Ramanujan was very happy and started solving problems. George Carr's Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics is a collection of 4,865 formulae and theorem without proof. He used to do problems on loose sheets of paper and note down his theories, which later became famous as Ramanujan's frayed notebooks. The George Carr's Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics அப்படின்ற புத்தகத்திலேருந்து அவர் நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை சால்வ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கிறார். அதோட கம்பைலிங் தான் இந்த Ramanujan's frayed notebooksன்றது. Ramanujan secured first class in mathematics in the matriculation exam and was awarded the Subramaniam Scholarship. Ramanujan, though he successfully completed his school education, he could not get a degree because he neglected the subjects like history, philosophy, and English in his college degree. So he could not get any job. Though he applied for many jobs, all turned down. But however, he has to satisfy for his food, and he needs about 2000 sheets of paper per month to solve his mathematical problems. So he applied many applications and he got a job in Madras Port Trust. The director of Madras Port Trust, Francis Prigg, gave a clerical job on a monthly salary of rupees 25. On May 1st, 1913, the University of Madras granted him a fellowship of rupees 75 a month. Many of his friends and teachers recommended the University of Madras gave him a fellowship, that is ஊக்கத்தொகையா மாசம் rupees 75 அவருக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்க. While he was working in the Port Trust, he sent a set of 120 theorems and formulae to G.H. Hardy, a great mathematician of Cambridge University. And that letter included Riemann series and modular equations. G.H. Hardy and J. Littlewood had discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan, and they made arrangement for his travel to England. Ramanujan sailed to Britain on March 7, 1940. G.H. Hardy is a great professor and a mathematician in the University of Cambridge, and J. Littlewood is his colleague. Now, Ramanujan is in Britain. Though food, clothing, and climate are not supportive to him, J. Littlewood and G.H. Hardy gave a great support, and this encouraged him to continue his research. Ramanujan was elected as the Fellow of the Royal Society on February 28, 1918, and then he became the first Indian to be elected as the Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. His achievements include the Hardy-Ramanujan-Littlewood circle method in number theory. His achievements include the Hardy-Ramanujan-Littlewood circle method in number theory. While he was continuing his research, he was affected by an incurable disease, tuberculosis, and he was sent back to India. அவரோட ரிசர்ச்சை கண்டினியூ பண்ணி நிறைய சாதனைகள் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது he was affected by an disease, அதாவது நோய் தீர்க்க முடியாத ஒரு வியாதி டியூபர்குலோசிஸால காச நோயால் பாதிக்கப்படுறாரு. So he was sent back to India. When he came to India, he looked very emaciated. Emaciated, now what did I tell you? Yes, looking very pale, thin, due to illness or excessive hunger. Though Ramanujan was suffering a lot, like a child playing with toys, on his deathbed, he was playing with numbers. So children, how do you feel now? Very energy boosted? Motivated? Okay. We will get into our evaluation part. So what is a synonym and an antonyms? Synonym is having similar meaning. It is the words giving similar meaning. What is antonyms? Antonyms is the opposite meaning. For example, happiness, the synonym of it is joy. What is the antonym for happy? Yes, sadness. In the same way, here they have given you a list of words. And for the same word, you have to find, that is, you have to match the synonym and antonym. The words are distribute, infinite, significant, delight, unkempt, initiate, and conjecture. The synonyms to match are boundless, commence, joy, guess, circulate, messy, important. What about the antonyms? Yes, trivial, sorrow, collect, clean, conclude, fact, measurable. Now we need to match a word with its synonym and antonym. Let us discuss the answers. The first word is distribute. The similar meaning is circulate. Good. So what is the opposite of it? The antonym. As the teacher is collecting the papers. So collect. Next word, infinite. Come on, search in the list. Yes, boundless. And what about the limit? Limitless. What about the limit? Yes, measurable. So the antonym is measurable. The third word, significant. Significant is something very important as a direct word, important. What is the antonym of it? Yes, unimportant. That is very trivial. Significant, important, trivial. The next word is delight. Feeling very happy. The word is joy. What is the opposite meaning of it? Yes, sadness. So what is the relevant word here? Yes, sorrow. Delight, joy, sorrow. Unkempt. Can you remember? Yes, unkempt na? Not clean. சுத்தமே இல்லாம இருக்குது. Something very messy, making messy. Okay. What is the antonym of it? Unclean, clean. Good. Unkempt, messy, clean. Super. Initiate. Initiate is beginning something. Yes. What is the relevant word? Commence. Yes. What is the antonym? The opposite word is? Yes, ending. So here, conclude. Yes. Initiate, commence, conclude. Final word, conjecture. Conjecture is guessing something. That is assuming something. So here, guess. So what about opposite meaning of it? Yes, fact. The only word left. Conjecture, guess, fact. Children, now we will go to our next part of evaluation. That is question answer. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. It is going to be a very simple questions. The first question is, which university granted Ramanujan a fellowship of rupees 75 a month? So here in this prose we have mentioned about 2 universities. One is Cambridge University in London. The other one in Tamil Nadu. Yes, in India. Yes, good. University of Madras. So, the University of Madras granted Ramanujan a fellowship of rupees 75 a month. So, let us get into our next question. Who discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan? 2 mathematical genius. Yeah, in London. G.H. Hardy and his colleague J. Littlewood discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan. Children, now we will get into the paragraph writing. What is a paragraph writing? Paragraph writing discusses one idea in detail, and that one idea will lead to the development of the whole paragraph. நம்ம paragraph writingனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடுறோம்? 1 pages, 2 pages, 3 pages like an essay நம்ம எழுதிட்டே போகிறோம். So we should not do like that. Questionல என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்குள்ளே இருக்கணும். For an example, if it is asked, answer the following question in about 80 to 100 words na, it can lead to a page or 1 page and a quarter. Not more than that. We are often doing that mistake. So you should not repeat that hereafter. Now I will tell how to write a paragraph. So a paragraph writing discusses one main idea. And there are 3 important parts of a paragraph. That is the topic sentence and supporting details and concluding sentence. That is the first part is a topic sentence and the second part is supporting details and the third part is a concluding sentence. So here the length of a paragraph will depend upon the purpose of the paragraph. Here, first one, let us discuss about the first part, that is the topic sentence. Topic sentence will convey the main idea. That is the first sentence of a paragraph will carry this topic sentence. Okay, and this topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. And this main idea will support for the further development of the paragraph. We will go to the next part, that is the supporting details. Supporting detail will elaborate and prove the main idea. And the main idea will elaborate panni adha pathina details kudukuradha supporting details. In the supporting details, will depend upon different types of sources. நிறைய சோர்ஸ்லேருந்து நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். எதிலிருந்தெல்லாம் எடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா, இட் மே பி ஃப்ரம் அன் இன்டர்வியூ, இல்லைனா ஒரு ரிசர்ச் ஸ்டடி, இல்லைனா ஒரு பர்சனல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸை கூட சொல்லலாம், இல்லைனா ஒரு ஒரு கண்டென்ட் நியூஸ் பேப்பர்லேருந்து கூட எடுக்கலாம், இல்லை அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய சோர்ஸை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்கலாம். ஒரு ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் ரிப்போர்ட்டில் கூட எடுக்கலாம். ஸோ இட் மஸ்ட் சப்போர்ட் த மெயின் ஐடியா. மெயின் ஐடியாவில் நம்ம என்ன விஷயம் கன்வே பண்ணுறோமோ அதை எலாபரேட் பண்ணணும், அதை ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும், அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இருக்கணும். தட் இஸ் த சப்போர்ட்டிங் டீடைல். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் இஸ் த லாஸ்ட் பார்ட்? லாஸ்ட் பார்ட் இஸ் த கன்க்ளூடிங் சென்டென்ஸ். கன்க்ளூடிங் சென்டென்ஸ் இஸ் த எண்ட் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த paragraph. In the end part is the last sentence of the paragraph, and this will again remind you the main idea, and it will tie the whole idea of the paragraph. That is, it will end the paragraph. That is, it will emphasize, that is, it will give importance again to the main idea once again. For last time மறுபடியும் அந்த concluding part என்ன பண்ணும்? the main ஐடியாவை emphasize பண்ணும், remind பண்ணும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஹவ் எ பேராகிராஃப் ஷுட் பி. ஒரு டாபிக் சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்கணும், சப்போர்ட்டிங் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இருக்கணும், அப்புறம் ஒரு கன்க்ளூடிங் சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? நவ் ஐ வில் கிவ் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். ரைட் எ பேராகிராஃப் ஆஃப் 100 to 120 வேர்ட்ஸ் அபவுட் யுவர் ஃபேவரட் பர்சனாலிட்டி. ஸோ இங்கே மெயின் ஐடியா என்ன? எஸ், இட் இஸ் அபவுட் யுவர் ஃபேவரட் பர்சனாலிட்டி. உனக்கு பிடிச்ச ஒரு ஃபேவரட் பர்சனாலிட்டி பற்றி டெவலப்மெண்ட் தான் இப்போ இருக்கணும். Now I told you there are 3 parts of a paragraph. The first part is the topic sentence. Topic sentence, now what did I tell you? Yes, it is the first sentence of a paragraph or the main idea of the paragraph. So I have a great admiration for Kumaraswamy Kamaraj. So inge unnoda favorite personality yaru? Yes, it is Kamaraj. So this paragraph should lead to the details about Kumaraswamy Kamaraj and why he has become your favorite personality. He was a powerful Indian politician, activist and a statesman. He was born in Virudhunagar 15 July 1903. So idella main idea. He was the founder and the president of Indian National Congress. Here, from here, the supporting details, that is the second part of the paragraph commences. Inga irundhu ஆரம்பிக்குது. So it should that is, it should support the main idea. So he was the founder and the president of Indian National Congress. Now it states that he is a politician. அப்படிங்கிற main idea. He was popularly known as the kingmaker of Indian politics. He participated in the Salt March Act of Civil Disobedience movement and become a freedom fighter. Again, as a social activist, how he is. On April 13, 1954, he became the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. That is about his statesmanship. ஓ, இப்போ இந்த சப்போர்ட்டிங் டீட்டெயிலை நீ எங்கேருந்து வேணால் எடுத்துக்கலாம். இதை வந்து நான் ஒரு புக்கில் ரெஃபர் பண்ணேன். இந்த சப்போர்ட்டிங் டீட்டெயிலோட சோர்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ, யாராவது காமராஜை பற்றி பேசின இன்டர்வியூலையோ இல்லை வேறு ஏதாவது ரிப்போர்ட்ஸ்லையோ அந்த மாதிரி எங்கேருந்து மட்டும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ ஆன் April 13, he became a chief minister of Tamil Nadu. So he introduced free and compulsory education and midday meal scheme for school children, and he was titled as the Kalvi Thandai of Tamil Nadu. He died on October 2nd, 1975, but still lives in the heart of poor people. Now I am getting into my concluding part. Concluding part na enna? What did I tell you? Yes, it is the end part. End part eppadi irukanum? It must emphasize on the main idea. Main idea மறுபடியும் அதுக்கு ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும், அதுக்கு ஒரு புஷ் கொடுக்கணும். அதை கொடுக்கறது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இட் மஸ்ட் டை த ஹோல் ஐடியா ஆஃப் த என்டையர் பேராகிராஃப். அப்படி கொண்டு வந்து முடிக்கணும். ஸோ ஹி வாஸ் அவார்டட் பாரத் ரத்னா போஸ்துமஸ்லி இன் 1976. ஹிஸ் ஹோல் லைஃப் இஸ் அ கிரேட் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் டு த அப்கமிங் லீடர்ஸ். இது his whole life is a great inspiration to the upcoming leaders. Here the concluding part is emphasizing the main idea, that is my favorite personality. Why he has become my favorite personality. Now I am going to give you an activity about paragraph writing. Here answer the following questions in about 80 to 100 words. So இங்க எவ்வளவு words கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? So 80 to 100. So the length, how it has to be, you have to calculate here. So here the question is, Describe the life of Srinivasa Ramanujan in India. Describe the life of Srinivasa Ramanujan in India. I will give you a hint. இப்போ லைஃப் ஆஃப் சீனிவாச ராமானுஜன் இன் இந்தியா அப்படின்னா யூ ஷுட் பி வித்தின் தட் லிமிட். நம்ம ராமானுஜன் பற்றி ஃபுல்லாக எழுதக்கூடாது. இங்கே இந்தியாவில் வாட் ஆர் ஆல் ஹிஸ் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸ், அபவுட் ஹிஸ் பர்த் யூ கேன் ரைட், அபவுட் ஹிஸ் ஸ்கூல் எஜுகேஷன், அவர் லோனிஸ் டிக்னாமெண்ட்ரி எல்லாம் எடுத்து ஹி ஹஸ் ரெஃபர்ட் நோ யூ கேன் ரெஃபர் தட், அண்ட் அபவுட் த ஜார்ஜ் காஸ் புக், அண்ட் அபவுட் ஹிஸ் கலெக்ஷன் compilation of freight notebooks, and about his first rank in matriculation exam, and about his college education, and how he has neglected some subjects. Aprom his job in Madras Port Trust, then about his support of the teachers and his friends, that is the University of Madras granted him a scholarship. Then he sent a letter to Hardy. Adella till that you can carry the paragraph. Children, now we will look into the paragraph. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a mathematical prodigy. He was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu on December 22nd, 1887. At the age of 13, he mastered Lonis trigonometry, solved many difficult problems, and began his own research. George Carr's Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics is a collection of 4,865 formulae and theorem without proof. He used to do problems on loose sheets of paper and note down his theories, which later became famous as Ramanujan's freight notebooks. Ramanujan secured first class in mathematics in the matriculation exam and was awarded the Subramaniam Scholarship. Director of Madras Port Trust, Francis Sprague, gave a clerical job on a monthly salary of rupees 25. On May 1st, 1913, the University of Madras granted him a fellowship of rupees 75 a month. While working in the Port Trust, he sent a set of 120 theorems and formulae to G.H. Hardy, great mathematician of Cambridge University. It includes Riemann series and modular equations. G.H. Hardy and J. Littlewood had discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan. They made arrangement for his travel to England. Ramanujan sailed to Britain on March 17, 1940. Children, here the question is about the life of Srinivasa Ramanujan in India. So, in the paragraph is relevant to his life achievements in India. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Thank you, children.